Hey everyone, welcome back to the Drifter Journey channel. We are boating in America. Down here at Navajo State Park. We came down to the New Mexico entrance. There's a beautiful marina here. And we're gonna go out on the water and try and find some cool spots in our Further Customs boat. Check down below for a discount code if you're looking to get one. We're gonna be the little one out here today, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't get too choppy. We're gonna try and find some little finger, what do you call them? Canyons?
Yeah, finger canyons.
And keep the dog happy.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Before getting on the water, we inflated and assembled the boat near the boat ramp. One of the best features of the Laguna 330 is how easy it is for us to transport and assemble it. No need for a trailer, which is perfect for us. With both of us working on it, we can get it ready in about 20 minutes.
You ready? Yep. It's too bumpy, we'll slow it back down.
Okay. The big boats probably don't come back here.
Little boats, yeah.
Alright, so we're in this little finger here, and we discovered we're in the wrong one. Well, not the wrong one, just not the one we were hoping to find.
The motor's running like shit.
And for some reason we can't really
You
seem
gonna jump
to
off that rock?
get up to speed. No, are you going to?
You can't see underwater. I'd imagine it's plenty deep.
Probably.
There's a rock sticking out there though.
Go for it. It's only 5 feet out of the water.
I'd rather pick a spot where other people are already jumping, so I'd feel pretty good that there's nothing there. Alright, should we go back and find the right one then?
Sure.
Because that one looks like a good height and it overhangs.
You going for it?
Nope, so I don't know what's underwater. I feel like I see a dark spot. We're going to be overtaken by a speedboat here in a minute. Trying to figure out how we're not going to get wrecked by it. There's a boat on our beach.
Found a beach, so we pulled up, and now we're taking a walk.
Whoa, look at that muck hole.
Oh, gross. That's probably why it stinks back here. What do you think about Navajo Lake so far?
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah?
Yeah, if we had more power.
Is it as cool as you
Should
thought
have
it would
20
be?
horse.
Landscape-wise?
Yeah, I mean, we need to explore more to see more, but it's nice.
No. Alright, we're gonna head to the next spot. Where that is, I don't know. We have reached the end of our chosen canyon, Francis Canyon. Looks like the water is pretty low, so.
Yeah, you can see the high water. Well, I don't know if that's a high water mark, but I'd say the high water mark,
Yeah.
what, 10 feet above us?
Yeah, that white line.
So, pretty low right now.
Yeah. So what do we do now, babe? You gonna
Go the
beach
other
it
way.
and do some lunch, or
Yeah,
go
we'll
back?
go back to another little cove thing.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a cool little cove.
Yeah.
All right, you good?
Tell them what we're doing. We're trying to beach.
We've been scoping out spots for a little lunch spot, so we found a beach and we're gonna try to get up it.
Without hitting rocks.
Yeah. Hold on, girl.
Clear.
Okay. My butt is wet and muddy. Okay.
It's going anywhere.
We made it, girl.
What's happening?
Let me get your vest off. Come on.
Come on.
Speedboat coming through. Alright, we took a refreshing dip and now we're gonna have some lunch on the beach. Kinds of stuff. We got sandwiches,
Let's go for the Sammy.
water,
You smell the
apples. Got some fancy bars. Lupe wants the lunch meat.
Oh.
Guess we'll your phone and see how far we've gone. And we're off. Lunch break's over. Looks like the lake's getting pretty busy with motorboats, and we're concerned about, you know, big wakes and things like that. So
We shall
nice.
cruise back.
yeah, we're gonna take a little cruise home. We packed up the boat, loaded up, and then on our way home we found a sign for the Foxfire Winery and
Took a right.
decided to check it out because it's pretty far away from our house, like an hour, and we're not really down in this area very often. It's been in the same family for over 100 years, and they have a whole bunch of the vineyards over there. The grapes look happy, so we're gonna check it out.
It's 100 degrees out.
Yeah. Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good summer wine. Taste.
Caution.
Ooh, that smells really nice. I think you chose well, babe.
Yeah.
That's very flavorful.
Give me a discount.
You like it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Good. Right, guys. Well, the wine here is delicious. We did end up ordering or buying a bottle to take home.
We ordered a bottle.
I ordered it at the bar and they gave it to me to take home. This is the Marquette. Foxfire Farms Winery, almost all of their wines here are made from grapes grown here, except for two kinds, Pinot Noir and Cabernet, because those grape varietals don't do well here.
In our extreme climate.
Yeah, everything else is a cold weather varietal, and it's pretty good. So if you find yourself down here randomly, definitely
Go to the hot
check it
springs
out.
in Pagosa. check this out.
Yeah.
And, you know, go for a hot air balloon ride. You know,
All the touristy
make
things.
a vacation
Yeah.
of it. And Lupe is mad because we told her we were going, so we are gonna load her up.
That's a wrap. Thanks for watching.